up? Taj Mahal Medics. I've got a Peugeot 207 here on a 2010 plate. I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light bulb and remove the rear tail light as well. That's how you've got to do it. But at the same time, when you're doing the brake light bulb on these, you can replace other bulbs as well. But before I do that, I'm going to show you which one it is first. I'm going to switch the ignition on and then press the brakes. Oh, 1 second. Yeah. As you can see, the driver's side is working, but the passenger side isn't. So all I'm going to do is open the boot. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Right, okay, no problem. What we do is just move this box out of the way. We don't need to get into the whole boot. There is a lug. If I just show you the lug, just hold this for a second. As you can see right there, that's what you need to undo. You just hold it up again. Wow, that's tight. Ouch. That was quite tight. So once you take it out, make sure you don't drop it anywhere. But even though with this one, if you do drop it, it ain't gonna go anywhere. It's gonna just go into the boot. But this is what it is. So you gotta remember just to put it back in as well. So if you then gently pull the light out. Now the only thing you need to worry about, as you can see this one here, so this lug saw kind of slots in here, and then this one goes in there. Now all I'm going to do now is unplug it. Only if I can unplug it. Nope, I can't unplug it, so I'm going to take this out, move this back. There's a bottom one right there, move that back, and there's this one here, move the whole thing. And then there is a little plug right there, as you can see on the inside. That's for the LED tail light. So just don't pull everything out too far. And then that's the bulb. Now it is a single filament one, so it'll be a 382. I'm just going to get the bulb. No, the other one. Yeah, thank you. Right, I've got the bulb right here. So that's the 382 bulb. Take it out. And it is a single filament one. Now you will find this bulb in the description as well, so where to get them from. And there's a store online you can get them from. So this would be one way. So I just need to make sure which way I put it in as well. So I slot it in. And that's it, job out. I can unplug it, but I don't need to be honest with you. But as I said, you've got the indicator bulb right on the inside. Then you've got a bulb here and there as well, so possibly reverse and fog light. So I now slot this in. And make sure the seal around the cluster as well is intact. You really don't want to leave that out. So that's clipped, that's clipped, that's clipped. With this one, that's clipped as well now. So I'm going to slot the back in first, and then the whole thing, plug it back up, screw it in, and now I'm going to check the brake lights. So make sure it's all working. So ignition on, press the brakes. As you can see now they're all working. If I switch the tail light on, now this is the LED one, so that's the plug that I told you about. The indicator's on that side as well. So I'm going to switch everything back off. That's it. Put this back here. Make sure this goes in as well. Tight. Perfect. This back in. And then close the boot. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, do leave us a message. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.